In this video, I'm going to show you how to categorize your emails within Gmail using the labels and stars. So usually by default, when you have emails received, you have these features, the label and the star. When you click on this, it means it is very important. You can see all of them that I put these labels. They are important. And once you want to see them, you can always come to more emails from this section, and then you can come to important. You'll be able to see all of them that are labeled. They will be categorized here. This is another way to categorize your email. And the second way is once you are back to your inbox, assuming I'm here, and I want to use the stars. Okay, so when you have an email that you want to star it, so you can just click once, and this is the color that it has. Notice it can change the color if I click twice. You can see it has changed the color. If I click 3 times, it has changed to another color as well. So if you click 4 times as well, you can see it is going to give you another different color. So this is going to help you to categorize the email. So when you come to start here, you're able to see them accordingly, according to how you arrange them. Okay, so you can see maybe yellow is for this, star, a purple is for this, and so on. So you'll be able to know exactly, and you can sort them accordingly. Now, if you want to change or add more stars or add more colors to your stars, you can always come to the settings. Over here, come to see all settings, and you can always come down from the general and come here and go to see the stars over here. These are not in use. If you want to add them, you can just drag and drop them here, drag and drop them here. And when you want, you click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one of them will be appearing according to this arrangement. If you want to rearrange them, you can change accordingly. You can readjust accordingly. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.